Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princey and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another short story. This story also includes 5 difficult words with their meanings and parts of speech. So watch till the end and try to learn new vocabulary in a fun way. So let's begin it. The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a forest. One day, after a heavy meal, it was sleeping under a tree. After a while, there came a mouse, and it started to play on the lion. Suddenly, the lion got up with anger and looked for those who disturbed its sleep. Then it saw a small standing trembling with fear. The lion jumped on it and started to kill it. The mouse requested the lion to forgive it. The lion felt pity and left it. The mouse ran away. On another day, the lion was caught in a net by a hunter. The mouse came there and cut the net. Thus it escaped. Thereafter, the mouse and the lion became friends. They lived happily in the forest afterwards. So, the moral of the story, everything has its own value. Now, let's look at the difficult words from the story along with the meanings and the parts of speech. So, first word is escaped, which is verb, and the meaning is got free. Trembling, which is verb, and the meaning is shaking. Afterwards, which is adverb, and the meaning is later. Forgive, which is verb, and the meaning is pardon. Caught, which is verb, and the meaning is captured. I hope you like this story and learned some new words. If you enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends and let me know in the comments if you want more short stories like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye and have a nice day.